Alright, young Roms, I just finished the night shift. I really haven't slept much, but it is subtropical storm Hurricane Karen right now. I'm grabbing the 7-0, putting it in that bag, and we're headed out. Gonna go surf after a night shift. That's nothing new for us on this channel, but let's do it. Alright, young Roms, so once again, we are surfing in between the 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. shift and the 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. shift that I have to work tonight. So I am just so fired up to surf a session at home. This has been an epic hurricane season. I didn't think I would get to hit the road and surf 2 New England hurricanes, but it happened. And that's why you just gotta keep trying, and you never know what will happen with your life. Even in the darkest moments of residency, there's still hope for a local road trip.